Are you ready to unleash your inner Van Gogh? Have you ever stared at a blank canvas bursting with ideas but unsure where to begin? Well, don't worry, every masterpiece starts with a single brush stroke. Hello there, my name is Sarah, and welcome to this video from Sarah's Art Gallery. Are you ready to discover the beauty and wonders that the art world has to offer? If your answer is yes, then you've come to the right place. Now, in this episode, we will discuss the exciting world of acrylic painting supplies, your key to unlocking vibrant creativity. First things first, the canvas. Think of your canvas as the foundation of your artwork. Stretched canvases, the classic choice, offer a professional look and come in various sizes and depths. For beginners or those who prefer portability, canvas boards are a great option. These are lightweight, pre-primed boards that are perfect for practicing and experimenting. And then we have canvas pads, your portable studio. These pads are like giant sketchbooks filled with canvas paper. They're perfect for on-the-go painting, sketching, or trying out new techniques without committing to a larger canvas. Each type of canvas has its own unique texture and feel. Experiment with different options to see what works best for your style and subject matter. Choosing the right canvas size is crucial too. A smaller canvas can create a sense of intimacy, while a larger canvas allows for grander compositions. Don't be afraid to think outside the box or canvas. You can paint on almost any surface, from wood panels to even furniture. Brushes are your artistic allies, each one capable of creating a unique stroke and effect. They come in various shapes, sizes, and bristle types, each suited for different painting techniques. Round brushes with their pointed tips are like the fine-tip pens of the painting world. Flat brushes are the bold friends, ready to make a statement. Their squared-off edges are perfect for creating broad strokes, covering large areas and achieving sharp edges. And then there are the versatile filbert brushes, striking a balance between round and flat. Filbert brushes are incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of techniques. Experiment with different brush sizes and shapes to discover the effects you can achieve. Don't be afraid to hold your brush in different ways. Use the side of the brush or even your fingers to blend and create texture. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to use a brush. Acrylic paints are a joy to work with, offering a vibrant palette and endless possibilities. They're known for their versatility, fast drying time, and ease of use. Acrylic paints are water-based, which means they clean up easily with soap and water. This makes them a great choice for both beginners and experienced artists. They come in a wide range of colors, from bold primaries to subtle earth tones, allowing you to create any mood or atmosphere in your artwork. One of the great things about acrylics is that they can be layered easily. You can build up thin layers of color to create depth and dimension, or apply them thickly for a more textured effect. Experiment with different techniques like dry brushing, stippling, and glazing to discover the unique effects you can achieve with acrylic paints. Don't be afraid to mix colors to create your own custom shades. Acrylics blend beautifully, allowing you to achieve an infinite spectrum of hues. Remember to invest in high-quality paints, as they offer better pigment concentration and light fastness, ensuring your artwork stays vibrant over time. When it comes to choosing acrylic paints, you have two main options: student grade and artist grade. A palette is your artist's playground, where colors come together and creative magic happens. Traditional wooden palettes offer a classic feel and are known for their durability. They're perfect for studio work and can hold a large quantity of paint. For those who prefer portability or are just starting out, plastic palettes are a great option. They're lightweight, easy to clean, and come in various shapes and sizes. Some palettes even come with lids, allowing you to store your paints for later use. When choosing a palette, consider the size and shape that best suits your working style and the amount of paint you typically use. A larger palette is great for mixing a wide range of colors, while a smaller palette might be more practical for plein air painting or working on smaller canvases. Don't be afraid to get creative with your palette. You can use a plate, a piece of glass, or even a disposable palette pad. The most important thing is to have a clean, smooth surface to mix your paints on. Before you start painting, it's a good idea to squeeze out a small amount of each color you plan to use onto your palette. While brushes are the stars of the show, palette knives are the unsung heroes of the art world. These versatile tools offer a unique way to apply, mix, and create texture in your acrylic paintings. Palette knives come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for different effects. Use a rounded tip knife for blending colors smoothly, a pointed tip knife for creating fine details, or a square tip knife for applying thick layers of paint. One of the best things about palette knives is their ability to create unique textures. Use them to scrape back layers of paint, revealing glimpses of color underneath, or create impasto effects with thick, textured strokes. Don't be afraid to experiment with different angles and pressures to see the range of textures you can achieve. Palette knives are also great for cleaning your palette, scraping off excess paint, and keeping your workspace tidy. When using a palette knife, it's important to hold it at a slight angle to the canvas. This will allow you to apply paint smoothly and create different effects. Let your creativity guide you and have fun exploring the possibilities. An easel is like a trusty sidekick for your canvas, providing stability and allowing you to work comfortably at different angles. Whether you prefer standing or sitting while you paint, an easel can make a world of difference in your artistic process. There are various types of easels available, each designed for different needs and spaces. Tabletop easels are compact and perfect for smaller canvases or working in tight spaces. They're also a great choice for beginners or those who prefer to sit while they paint. For larger canvases or a more traditional studio setup, a standing easel is the way to go. These sturdy easels come in H-frame and tripod designs, offering stability and adjustability for different canvas sizes. Some easels even come with features like storage shelves, brush holders, and adjustable heights, making them even more versatile. When choosing an easel, consider the size of your canvases, your workspace, and your personal preferences for working height and angle. An easel not only provides support for your canvas, but also allows you to step back and view your work from a distance. Water is essential for acrylic painting, not just for thinning paints, but also for cleaning your brushes between colors. Having dedicated water containers for rinsing your brushes is crucial for preventing muddy colors and achieving vibrant, true-to-color results. Use one container for rinsing your brushes in clean water and another container for mixing with paints. This will help prevent contamination and ensure your colors stay pure. Choose containers that are wide enough to accommodate your largest brushes and have a stable base to prevent spills. Glass jars, plastic containers, or even dedicated brush washers are all great options. Change your water frequently, especially when switching between light and dark colors, to prevent muddy hues from contaminating your fresh paints. Clean water is key to maintaining the vibrancy and clarity of your acrylic paints. To prevent your brushes from resting on the bottom of the container and potentially damaging the bristles, consider using a brush holder or resting them horizontally across the rim of the container. Proper brush care is essential for achieving smooth, even strokes and extending the life of your valuable painting tools. One of the best things about acrylic paints is their easy cleanup. Unlike oil paints, which require solvents and special cleaning agents, acrylics clean up easily with just soap and water. However, don't let their water-based nature fool you. Once acrylic paint dries, it becomes water-resistant, making it important to clean your brushes and palettes promptly after each painting session. To clean your brushes, simply rinse them thoroughly under running water, gently massaging the bristles to remove any residual paint. Once the water runs clear, swirl your brush on a bar of mild soap, working up a lather and ensuring the soap penetrates the bristles. Rinse the brush thoroughly again, squeezing out any excess water and reshaping the bristles with your fingers. Store your clean brushes upright in a jar or brush holder to maintain their shape and prevent damage to the bristles. For cleaning your palette, use a palette knife to scrape off any excess paint and dispose of it properly. Then, wash the palette with warm, soapy water, using a sponge or brush to remove any stubborn paint stains. Proper cleanup is essential for extending the life of your brushes and palettes, ensuring they are ready for your next creative adventure. As we've explored, the world of acrylic painting is full of vibrant possibilities. Each tool plays a vital role in bringing your artistic vision to life. From the canvas that serves as your creative playground to the brushes that dance with color, every element contributes to the magic of creating art. Remember, investing in quality tools is an investment in your artistic journey. Don't be afraid to experiment, explore different brands and types of supplies, and discover what works best for your unique style and preferences. The most important thing is to have fun, let your creativity flow, and enjoy the journey of artistic expression. If you are new here, you liked the video and I've given you some value, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for my newest videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, this is Sarah from Sarah's Art Gallery saying, to create your masterpiece, you must start with one stroke at a time.